Hi guys, today we're gonna see my Rubik's Cube collection for the first time, and yeah, so this is all of them. So yeah, there's a bunch. This is my tiniest Rubik's Cube. It's small, it's kind of bad, can't necessarily get it to turn. Okay. Oh, there we go. This is my second small. This is also kind of bad. Then this one's also tiny, but it turns pretty good. It just doesn't corner cut at all. Then I got 2x2, 3x3, other 3x3. I have like 5 3x3s. Oh, and this one. It's not 3x3. And I got, actually no, let's see that. I got a 4x4, 5x5, 7x7, and a 2x2x3. Mirror cube, Pyraminx, square one. Oh, I dropped it. Shoot. That's awkward. See. Yeah, my Megaminx, my Gigaminx. Yeah, that's almost all of them, and then Pyraminx. And then there's my X cube. It's Cube Extreme. It's basically a cube with X's on the sides. And I got the actual X cube, which is kind of messed up right now because I can't figure out how to solve it. And then for the craziest one of all, it is the Ghost Cube. I stickered it myself, by the way. I don't like that thing. It's really hard. And then my recorder from my first video. So yeah. And bye.